If you're experiencing high ping on your Steam Deck, there are several steps you can take to improve your connection. Follow this guide to help reduce your ping and enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for gaming. You can run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds, as well as your ping. Step 2. Use a wired connection. If possible, connect your Steam Deck to the internet using an Ethernet cable. A wired connection typically provides a more stable and lower latency connection compared to Wi-Fi. Step 3. Optimize Wi-Fi settings. If you must use Wi-Fi, make sure you are connected to the 5 GHz band instead of the 2.4 GHz band, as it usually offers better speeds and lower latency. Also, try to position your Steam Deck closer to the router. Step 4. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications or downloads running in the background on your Steam Deck. These can consume bandwidth and increase your ping while gaming. Step 5. Change DNS settings. Consider changing your DNS settings to faster DNS servers such as Google DNS 8.8, 8.8, and 8.84.4 or Cloudflare DNS 1.1, 1.1. This can help improve connection speed and reduce ping. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your ping while using your Steam Deck. Enjoy your gaming.